Hey, what's up? Brian BH35 Sports Cards doing the team draw for 2015 Panini Prizm Baseball. This is the 10 box random half case. So take you on over here, show you who's in this thing. So everybody that joined, I appreciate it very much. Thank you. Maybe a little bigger for you. Okay, there are two combo spots. They consist of the Marlins and the Phillies, and the A's and the Brewers. We're going to randomize both lists 4 times, starting with the people first, 4 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. 4 times. A Buke is on bottom, and Grand Poobah is on top. Four times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. Not bad. 4. There you go. Cardinals are on the bottom. The Angels are on the top. And these are your teams. Make this a little bigger here. Grand Poobah has the Angels. Southpaw, the Red Sox. Big Poppy, the A's Brewers. SMD, the Reds. JRT 50, the Diamondbacks. FBGC 19, the Giants. Browns fan 78 has the Rangers. Joe Bobmort, the Cubs. Vegas Vinny, the Indians. Leo Inc., the Royals. Weibo has the Rockies. Jake 834, the Braves. Leo Inc., the Tigers and Padres. FBGC has the Blue Jays. Vegas Vinny, the Twins. Ace has the Nationals. K1469, the Mets. Grouch, the Dodgers. Weibo has the Marlins and the Phillies. A Buke has the Yankees. Joe Bobmort, the Rays. Leo Inc., the Orioles. Big Poppy, the White Sox. J Splint, the Pirates. Florida fan has the Mariners. Leo Inc., the Astros, and A Buke has the Cardinals. These teams will be in the team draw section over here in the website, team draws. Click on this little thing. Well, find your title, and then click on read more to expand it. And you can see it in grid form, unless you're some kind of crazy reader, and then you can read it in normal form. But that's it. Trade away. Thank you, everybody.